Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you some basic concepts of Java NetBeans. Uh, so guys, please like and subscribe my channel. So see here we have opened Java NetBeans 8.1. It is the latest version now. So today I will tell you a programming on to find the area of rectangle and square. So for this you have to first click on file, then click on new project. So here we will get one panel. See this panel. Here you have to simply click on Java application, then you have to click on next. So here you have to put one project name, whatever you want to put you can. So now I am giving basic. It's already given, so I am giving basic one. So now click on finish. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel. It's taking too much time actually. So yeah, we have created basic one, so it's here, right here. Actually my system is working very slow. So now go to basic and right click on basic one, and then go to new and click on JFrame form. Here we will get one panel. Here you have to put one class name, so here giving basic one only. So yeah, it's already given, so basic 2 I am giving. So now click on finish button. Okay, so now here we'll get one panel where we have to label a frame. So here we'll take some label and text field and one button. So take 3 labels here because we are finding the area of rectangle only now. So now write here area of length from LENGTHOFRECTANGLE, and here write breadth of rectangle and here write area of rectangle. So guys, here I tell only use of jButton only, not jButton and jTextFields. It's so common in every programming. jTextField, jLabe, it's used in every programming. So now I'll tell the use of jButton. So now write calculate. Whatever you want to write, you can write what you think it is suitable for it. Sorry. So now we'll make it little attractive. Go to properties and go to font. Now take the font size 24 and select which font style what you want. So now I am selecting Vijaya. Okay. Okay, now it's okay. So now we will enclose it in panel so it will look good. We'll enclose it in panel. So now go to properties, then go to border, go to title border, write area O F R E C T A N G, area of rectangle. Go to color, select this one, whatever you want to select you can select, and font size I am giving 48, and again I am selecting that one BCA one. Okay, now go to border and select matte border, write 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 here because it will look good, sexy too. So now we'll put coding. So now go to calculate button, double click on calculate button. So now we'll put coding here. So I am declaring the variable int. No, I'll declare with float, because if we declare with variable int, so we are not able to calculate the point values. We will calculate point values by float. So float L, comma B, comma R. Here L stands for length, B stands for breadth, and R stands for result, that is area. So now L equal float dot varse float jTextField 1 dot get txt. So here one mistake, text only. Okay, now we'll copy it and again paste it here. So here we'll write B in place of L and jTextField 2 in place of jTextField, because brace we are putting in jTextField 2. So now we'll apply formula here. So R, that means A, area equal L into B, that means area equal L length into breadth. So jTextField 3 dot txt. Here it should be small set text. Okay, jtext will be 3 dot set text. Here we'll write R. So R value will be declared in text field 3. So now run file, right click here and run file. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries regarding this programming or any other thing in NetBeans or MySQL, so I am giving my WhatsApp number. You can message me or you can contact me or you can use the comment section. So now see your programming is running. It's running. Actually my system is slow, so it is taking time. Yeah, it's here, right here. So okay, so now we'll tap length of rectangle 2.5, breadth of rectangle 2.5, so it will come 6.25. Here you can see, if we will declare it with int, so it is not able to calculate the point values. So now you are seeing. So guys, please keep liking, subscribing my channel, and keep your love and support always with me. Thanks.